Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to find the summation, mean, standard deviation, and variance using this calculator, but for group data. Okay, let's see for an example here. We have monthly salary and number of employees. Okay, in order to find the mean, you must use this formula. Sum fx over n. Why must have f? Because in our data now, we have frequency, which is number of employees. So this means there are 10 employees who have the salary, monthly salary between 1,500 and less than 2,500. So the number of employees is the frequency. Meanwhile, the monthly salary is the x. However, in order to find the mean using this formula, we cannot use this as x. So to solve it, you must get the midpoint. The midpoint for this monthly salary gonna be the x now, so that we can count for the mean. However, how to find the midpoint? Midpoint, the formula is upper boundary plus lower boundary divided by 2, or the middle value between this 1,500 and 2,500. Okay, very easy to get it. It's either lower boundary or upper boundary, the same thing. Okay, let's say we begin with lower boundary, 1,500, plus with the upper boundary. Okay, divided by 2. Okay, here is the answer of midpoint for the first class boundary, 2,000. Okay, similar for the next step, which is 2,500 plus 3,500 divided by 2. So the midpoint is 3,000. Okay, now how to get the mean after we find the midpoint? So first, you must press the menu button. And for sure, choose number 6 for the statistics. Okay, press 6 for the statistics. Now, press 1 for 1 minus variable. Okay, however, this calculator now doesn't have column for frequency. So, you must on the frequency in order to solve for this kind of equation. Okay, in order to on the frequency, press shift and then press menu. Okay, now you must find the statistics again, which is number 3, isn't it? So press 3 for statistics. Okay, so frequency on, off. For sure, now you must on. So to on it, press 1. Okay, now we have the frequency. Then we can enter all the data. But again, x must be from the midpoint. Okay, don't forget to double check. Okay, now we have entered all the data. So very easy for this kind of calculator. Just press OPTN and choose 3 for 1 minus variable for all the answers. As you can see, we have the X bar. X bar is the mean value. Okay, X bar is the mean 3431.38. The sum X is actually for the sum Fx. In this calculator, it will not show sum Fx, but you must know the sum X is actually represent for the sum Fx, 17500. And to get the mean again, substitute the 17500 over the n. How to get the n? Press down button. As you can see, we have the 51 for the n. 51 here, substitute, so 3431.38. 3431.38 for the X bar. Again, X bar is the mean. Okay, next, to find the standard deviation, you must use the formula with F. Okay, the standard deviation with F because we have the column for frequency. But we need the summation of fx to the power of 2. So to get it, again, from this calculator, and unfortunately, this calculator doesn't show the f, but you must know the sum x to the power of 2 is for sum fx to the power of 2, which is 64,500,000. Okay, the sum fx, same with previous, 17500 from the sum x here. And substitute into the formula. And don't forget the power of 2 for sum fx. Make sure these two values must be not same, because from different calculation. And to get the answer for this one, okay, so this is the variance actually. Press the down button. We have 943.5020. Okay, so therefore, to get the variance, okay, variance is actually the power of 2 from the standard deviation as the power of 2, and then 943.502, the power of 2 here. So if you calculate manually, you got this. If you want to get the answer strictly from this calculator, okay, press the up button. This is the answer for variance. Okay, again, a big difference because this calculator use all decimal places, but this one I use up to 4 decimal places. So here is 0.24, but here 0.0784. Okay, I think that's it for my video. Hopefully it's helpful. Okay, bye.